Today is the day that it all must go. This room has seen quite a lot of renovation at all. When I first got a hold of this property, the floor in here was so unstable and so unsafe. So I actually had to get my builders in and pop some particle board over the top of it. 1, to make it safe, and 2, to make it practical. So many of you know I've already renovated room 1 and room 2. So this room has actually served as an office during those renovations and exactly what it is now, a storeroom. Today is the day that all stops. It is the living room's turn to shine. So it's all hands on deck to empty this into another storage space and get the original floors up. It is living room time, and this fireplace has been haunting so many of you who have been watching for months now, but it is time for everything in this room to change. Because I knew I would always be pulling this particle board back up, and if possible, I really wanted to reuse it. There was no need to get new product in when I had this product that was laid not that long ago. And because I had a vision and an end in mind of what I wanted to happen in this space, I didn't glue these boards down. They were simply screwed down so Team Ferris can come on in, remove the screws, cut off a tongue to lever those boards up, and then they will get to see the amazing original boards. Well, the floorboards don't look that bad, but... Regan, what's the stress? Tell me what's happened.
Oh, the floor?
Yeah.
The floor's stuffed. It's going to be completely redone.
What's your story, Josh? What do you think about the floor?
We'll just have to rework it.
Completely stuffed and
We'll have
scratched.
to move the joists so they're closer together. And until we get these front joists out of the way, then we'll just have to see what we can fix our plate onto to run them on.
And are you all going to be wearing wetsuit shoes tomorrow?
Yeah. I might bring a snorkel in actually.
You're going to bring a snorkel in? Have a swim in the pond? We could go yabbying in there.
No.
I think is the most exciting room. The living room! And I'm super excited in here because this fireplace is so well known now. And people are waiting to see what we do with it. People are waiting to see what pizzazz and what amazingness and... Are you ready for what we're going to do in here?
Okay, go for it.
Well, we're going to renew the fireplace.
Given.
And we're going to do like gorgeous bench seating either side and large format tiles and high level shelving with wall sconces so you can like sit beside the fire in a little nook and read. Do you think I'm crazy?
No, go on. I was just picturing this.
You're picturing it?
Yeah.
Closing your eyes?
Yeah.
And then we're going to get rid of that door because there's surprises to come out the back later.
Yes.
And we're going to bring in the most oversized, amazing, super duper surprise doors from Hume to go there.
How big are these doors?
Huge.
How big is huge?
Huge! Girl, huge!
You better tell Regan that.
No, they're big. They're big. They're like...
I think we got that. They're big.
They're big.
Regan just fell over.
He did. He did. I want to show people that they can have more than just walls in their spaces and gorgeous cornices, and we obviously need to do something with this floor because it's a death trap. And yeah, the rest is up to you.
Okay. Well, over the years, this has obviously been resheeted with
Everything.
everything from everything to everything.
Literally, hey.
So, you know, where it's double brick, this is actually battened out. Plasterboard maybe.
And then there's that.
And we've got the old veneer panelling.
I reckon there's a couple of layers under that.
This all looks Original though?
Originally bad. Do you know one
That'll
thing
give
I
us something
actually
to work with.
haven't decided on what to do yet? I haven't decided on what to do inside the fireplace yet. I'm reluctant to even touch it. I'll get there. I'm gonna put some big girl pants on and.
Bit of marble, you'll be right.
What'd you say?
A bit of marble.
A bit of oh no, as in it.
Yeah.
In it?
Yeah. I'll let you have that one.
Right. Let me go and percolate how this looks. So what are we gonna do? What's first?
We'll do the floor first.
Perfect.
So
So
it's so bouncy and so out of level.
Is that a technical word? It's so bouncy.
We will then put some sheet flooring down
Okay.
as our base, our
Yep.
substrate for whatever flooring we'll do later.
Yep.
We'll probably then demolish the ceiling, drop the ceiling,
Drop the ceiling.
and then we'll deal with these walls. So I need to make a bit of a plan with the team, but I think we'll actually have to direct stick that one over there. I think that one's okay. We might have to frame out this one. I don't know yet because we've got some big doors coming.
Big doors.
Big doors.
What about we demo and reconvene?
I think that's a great plan.
Looking at its state, I think we'd be crazy to make it a fire again, to be honest. Because I think it could be a money pit for not a lot of love.
Yeah. Well, what we can.
You just put a dab of water underneath the bricks for fixing it.
Can you say that in English for me? Seriously? What'd you say?
There's stuff in there that attachments, mate. I'd be inclined to just wherever our new floor level runs, just run our floor kind of right up to it, and then.
I can always get a
possibly
beautiful
just
stone
tile.
hearth, or we're tiling the actual whole wall.
Yeah, I'd be inclined just to put like a thing of tiles across the front that sits a little bit higher than the rest of the floor.
Like a little hearth.
Just a little tile hearth, something like that.
Or I could get a gorgeous piece of stone
Just
cut.
if our flooring goes under, it'll always have to have a little step or whatever's put on top.
I don't have a problem with that.
Yeah, that'd be fine.
Because let's face it, those bricks, how sturdy are those bricks looking, Regan?
Yeah, real sturdy.
They're amazing.
They're just sitting on nothing. Yeah, nice.
You know what is the reframe for this house? It has stood up for over 100 years with nothing holding it together. Happy Tuesday, Eric. I'm pumped because
Got the floor down.
the floor's down. It's really exciting, hey?
Floor's down.
It's no
Walls
longer.
up. That's
I
good.
know.
Very good. We made some progress this week.
We did. And the swimming pool, can you hear the rain? The swimming pool will be filling up underneath us, but
So, do you want to tell people that you really don't have a swimming pool?
I don't have a swimming pool. But what happened was this was the old Taylor's house, and he had dug a cellar below the living room. So I have water that collects under this living room, and it's not a little bit of water, it's like knee-high water. So I got the plumbers in, we dug a pit. I didn't dig a pit, let's face it. They dug a pit, they put in a pump, and it's just getting pumped out and tapped into the other stormwater now.
Yep, very good.
So it will continue to fill up, but it will continue to empty.
Best thing you can do in a bad situation, because you've got the old sandstone footings,
Yeah.
you're never going to block those out. You've got a two-storey building on the other side, a driveway that's higher than the footings.
I know.
So,
Either way, I'm choosing to imagine that it's a beautiful, abundant stream that is flowing through my house.
keep thinking that.
I'll keep thinking that.
So, we've got it. We're down. We put the floor joists over.
I have some questions though, and I reckon everyone watching has some questions too.
Okay, go.
So I got it in the other rooms because they were smaller and they were closer to the ground.
Yes.
This is like 7 foot
Yes.
and it's bigger, and we didn't have to put down any piers. Previously when I renovated if the piers were gone, it was always a big thing. People go, make sure you check your piers. And oh my God, it needs repairing. And then we just go put this huge bedroom floor down and there are no piers anywhere.
No piers.
Please explain.
Right, please explain. The timbers down here that we install, we put a deeper section. So instead of a smaller piece of timber, bigger piece of timber, it can span a further distance. They're called LVLs, laminated veneer lengths. And they're actually H2, which is termite proof. And we sat them on the wider sandstone footings, and they span all of this way. So
And so that's okay.
That's okay. So there's span tables about what you can span and the weight you can put on here.
Say that again.
Span tables.
There's a span table. Can you Google span table? I'm being sincere. What if someone wants to Google a span table?
You can. LVL span tables.
LVL span table.
But because we're not actually taking the weight of a timber frame that holds up a roof, we're only taking the weight of the timber floor and maybe a lounge chair that you put in here. It's quite a it's quite a small load that's going to be on them. Otherwise, you would consider your dead loads or your point loads for your walls, which means your wall sitting on the floor, it supports the roof, which supports the roof tiles or the tin roof. That's probably going a little bit far there, but...
So I'm interpreting that because I have sandstone foundations under every single wall, that my walls and my roof are supported by my sandstone foundations and my floors are kind of inset inside them. And hence we didn't need to think about our floors being able to hold our walls and our roof. Our floors just had to hold us and the weight we put on them.
That is true.
Okay.
That's it. But did you see this wall over here?
Yes! It was a tree!
So there's actually a log underneath the dividing wall in this room.
It's random, hey?
So a log that sits on each side of the sandstone footings, then has brick wall or a brick wall on top of it. A brick wall now.
Okay, let's not talk about it. I don't know if I want to talk about it. Floors are done. See you all next week. Thanks for watching this episode of my 1880s house restoration. If you'd like to know more about Carrington House, see other rooms we've done or will be doing, check out the products that we've used, our trade and supplier team, as well as get all the behind the scenes footage and all the specifications, colours and finishes I've chosen for every space, then head on over to my website, naomifindlay.com/Carrington House, and everything you need will be right there.